Don't get it twisted. See, say it's all about the season. Just like I tell people, man, they be want to tell me, say, I have Brussels sprouts. I said, say, I done had it, and it was nasty in the bitch. Just like what's that shit? That little skinny. I know Brussels sprouts, a little small one. The asparagus, that shit too. Ugh. But I done had somebody, like I said, I done had somebody cook this shit, and the shit tastes like goddamn. It was on point, man. Like I said, I try anything as long as the person know how to cook it. Yeah. But see, people get in that cleaners on the thing like damn. When some taste nasty, that's it. I don't want that shit no more. Yeah, that shit that made me sick, I don't want it no more. But it's about how somebody cooks shit. Yeah, I tell you, they cooking good. Man, I be like, damn, you can say. Man, I had some Brussels sprout, the one that little like a little look like a little leaf. I mean, like a little what that shit called? It look like a little lettuce, a head of lettuce. The little Brussels sprouts, you know, cauliflower. Man, that bitch look like a no. It look like a little head of lettuce. A little bit. I was like, damn, that's a little motherfucker. Man, I tried that motherfucker. Say, man, that bitch. They had that bitch taste like a little old batch of greens. But last time I tasted the bitch tasted nasty in the motherfucker. I don't want that shit no more. But see, like I say, it's all about how somebody cook. Yeah. They cook shit fucked up, man. So yeah. It don't show. It don't make you don't want it no more. Yeah, definitely. That's why I say it's about how somebody cook shit. It's definitely. Cause a lot of people be talking about that squid and octopus and shit. You know, man, it's about how you cook the shit. You cook that bitch, I might be able to taste the shit. I be like, okay, yeah, that's damn good. I'm not gonna taste it. It don't look about they greens, and how they season and cut and stuff. I'm telling you, I mean, you know it. They love. I know when I find it. Yeah. They rare. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? You gotta have that taste. See, people don't understand that shit. See, people try to cook, man, but yeah, say, you know how they cook it that season right, man. Motherfucker be like, man, that just done some shit. No, you gotta have that A1 game. That's why I be like, man, what too, right? What, talk to me. That was my heinous. That's what she did. Man, the one that died. Yeah, that's why I was at. Yeah, I saw it. She did all the cooking. And that's what Cartier never, all of them. Yeah, man. I'm telling you, wow. Yeah, see the sister that cooks. Lord. That's what I'm talking about. See, you don't know that one person who cook, man. It's like everybody gonna go every time I go over there, man. She just, you know. She already had. That's what she did. She the cook. That's what's up. I always try to give me some preserves. You don't know this stuff here. Yeah, because she got John preserve. Yeah, so she already know she just got it. I just put a little this in there and set it out. See, ain't nothing like the old school. My mama talk. They got them eggs for sister. Yeah, get their dozen in the van. This and that. They find that newspaper. They don't see back in the day with the newspaper, the sale papers. There ain't no new sale papers. When them sales there, they know where coupons. Them coupons, they get them coupons, cut it out. When they go in there, they know what they going to see. Yeah, I want to get this, and I want that 50% off. I want to. You got to keep on. Man, say, back in the day with them coupons, man, people don't understand that shit, man. Them coupons, man, say, man, y'all have be bottles with shit. Every nickel, like you say, just like gas. Every nickel off a gallon is saved. Yeah. That's why I was like, damn. And then I started to think about them coupons. I'm like, so that's why my mama used to keep them coupons. See, every nickel off $1, every 15 cents. Yeah. See, that shit all add up. That little card. Yeah, that clone card. Yeah, the slot. Yeah. I got CBS cards and shit. Yeah. I be having to people out like, damn, they be really saving off that card. Yeah, I can tell them my mama's gas cards and shit. Yeah, and then I can type up now. Yep, and and then I start see 7-Eleven starting to do that too. They say, hey, you got a number, you got a safe card. I'm like, do you know somebody who got one? I'm like, I don't even know, but shit. You know something? You put that number in. I was like, what? I'm like, okay. Oh yeah, you just saved some money. I'm like, what? I'm like, shit. It's always sometime to save. But them Cowboys, boy, do you hear me, y'all? Do them damn Cowboys?